Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'll show you the very basic important topic in SAP FICO, that is open and close posting period, which has been done in OB52 transaction. So first of all, I am going to OB52, which shows the open and close posting period. Posting period is been displayed here. Now my posting period variant is ABC, as I had created earlier. So these all are my posting period variants. These all are my posting period variants with their corresponding accounting key. So we all know that plus stands for all, A means asset, D means customer, K means vendor, M means material, and S means GL. So here we see that the period is open from the period 12th of 2019, 12th period of 2019, that means March 2020, okay, 12th period of 2019 to 3rd period of 2021. Now 3rd period of 2021 means April, May, June, that means June, and this month is June. Today is 29th of June, so that means today I can post any transaction in SAP as the 3rd period is open. However, if I want to do the posting in the period number 4th period, then SAP won't allow me to do, as the 4th period is not open. 4th period means July. Okay, so let me try. I'm just coming out of it and I'm going to AB50 in order to post the transaction in the month of July. So today is 29th of June. I'm just deleting this month. I'll try to post in 1st of July 2021, which is the 4th period, and I'm expecting an error message from SAP mentioning the fact that 4th period 2021 is not open. I'm providing my GL here. Which GL I'm giving, that is not important here. I just want to do whether system allows me to post or not. Now I'll simulate. Posting period for 2021 is not open as expected. So rightly said by SAP, posting period posting period for 2021 is not allowed, is not open. So what I need to do is, I'm going to OB52, I'm putting my posting period variant here, and I'll have to put this for, I'm only doing the GL posting, hence I don't need to keep all of the posting period open till 4. Why? The reason being, I'm just posting FB50 and the applicable account key for the same is the S. So I don't need to open M, K, D and A. I only have to open the 4th period for plus and S. So I'll just keep them open. Let me make this as 4 as well. And another important point, it is a very this is required for the year-end activities as well. So it is a year-end activities as well. So it is basic important topic in SAP FICO, as well as the year-end activities as well. Not only year-end, rather period end as well, because many companies across the globe, many businesses across the globe do open and close their posting period periodically. Okay, they do not here as well, we do not keep all the periods open for the entire year. So as and when we progress, as and when the months go by, we close the previous month and we open the next month. So it is a period end activity as well. So period is open for fourth period 2021. So that means July 2021 is now open. So if I do posting in FB50 for the month of July, it is expected to be posted. So let me post 1st of July, putting our document header text. Now putting our GLs here. Putting my GL here 101. It would be credit and it would be debit. The first one is the stall rent and 101 is the bank account. So stall rent debit to bank account, that's what I want to do. 700 euro. Going to simulate. This time system won't restrict me as expected, because fourth period, see, period is 4. So fourth period is now open and system will allow me to post. So that's the significance of open and close posting period. I hope this much is clear to you. OB52 is a very common thing being asked in any interview. It is a period end activity and it is a basic important topic in SAP FICO. So I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your queries in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. So keep watching the channel. I'll surely come up with some next video within few days. So till then, keep watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.